Hey guys, so for today's video, I am going to show you the top 3 LinkedIn profiles that you can check out so that you can have a guide on how to create an optimized LinkedIn profile and start your personal branding on LinkedIn. And of course, our first example is no other than Neil Patel. Neil Patel is like my favorite guy in the digital marketing world, and he has a perfect LinkedIn profile example. As you can see, if you are starting your own LinkedIn profile, you need to understand that clients are checking out 5 things. First is your profile photo, your cover photo, and the third thing is your headline. The fourth thing is your featured section or your posting. The next or the last part is the about section. So those 5 things, those 5 sections matter. Make them count. And Neil Patel has perfect things in all of those sections. So let's check out first his profile photo. As you can see, he has just a very simple yet catchy profile photo with just a smile, and it works every time. Simple profile photo with a smile, it works all the time. You should do that. And his cover photo, he's sticking with his color pattern or his color theme, which is orange, and he's talking about his brand on the left hand side, and on the right hand side, it's more about his services, which is cool. Which means he really uses space of his cover photo to talk about his business and services, which is great, perfect use. And on his headline, again, he's talking about his services. So, people who check out Neil Patel will know what he is doing, what he can do for your business, how he can help you out, which is what digital marketing is. And here on the featured section or the posting, as you can see, Neil Patel is very consistent in sharing quality contents out there. So if a client check out his LinkedIn profile and see that this guy knows a lot of things, shares a lot of things, they would trust him more, and that would, generate more clients for his business. And on his about section, this is now the part where you can start build out your credibility, your reputation, to let the clients know that you really know what you're talking about and you are the expert in your area. And the next example that we do have is Gary Vaynerchuk. Gary Vaynerchuk is similar to Neil Patel. The only difference is that he's been around longer, and he owns more brand than Neil Patel. So Neil Patel is focusing on his Neil Patel Digital, while Gary Vaynerchuk has a lot of businesses, and as you can see, he has the same like feel on his profile photo, just a simple photo with a smile. Again, if the big guys are doing it, you should do it as well. It means that it works. And on his cover photo, the only difference is that Gary Vaynerchuk is focusing on promoting his brands, his companies, than the services that they have. And the same goes with his headline. Again, he's talking about his businesses, his brands, and not his services, which I think if you are just starting out, you need to talk about your services. Gary Vaynerchuk is very popular. People know about him. And on his featured section and activity section, where you can see all his postings, as you can see, he is also consistent with sharing quality content. Again, this is important because it will help your potential clients know you better and see that you know what you're doing, and will trust you more. Trust breeds confidence, and confidence breeds sales. So again, share quality contents out there. And here on the about section, I think Vaynerchuk has a better about section than Neil Patel, because his strategy on doing it is that he's making it sound like someone else is talking about his achievements and not himself. He's not talking about his own achievements. He has like a third person talking about Gary Vaynerchuk, so which is a good strategy. And the last profile example we have here, which is not the least, definitely not the least, Alicia Colin Heard. So she has a more similarity in terms of LinkedIn profile strategy with Neil Patel. So they're both like a similar way of doing things. So as you can see, her profile photo, it's very simple again with a smile, which works every time. And her cover photo, same way with Neil Patel. On the left hand side, she's talking about her brand. On the right hand side, she's talking about her services, which is great. So, and she also sticks with her color theme, which is like purple that has like a universe or galaxy kind of feeling, which is, with Neil Patel, it's orange. So, again, they have like similarities. And again, on her headline, she's talking about her services, which is similar to Neil Patel. and she's also consistent in posting quality contents out there. And as you can see, she's now starting to get engagement and interaction with her posting, which is cool if you're starting out on LinkedIn. So she's now starting to build her personal brand. And here on the about section, it's not as lengthy as the two of the first example that we do have, because those guys are like already legends in digital marketing, and Alicia is kind of like started over like 2 years ago. So there's a lot of things that she can add here as time progresses. She gets more achievements and recognitions. So again, these are the top three LinkedIn profiles that I do suggest you check out, so that you can have perfect guidance on how you can create an optimized LinkedIn profile and start your personal branding on LinkedIn and get more clients, leads, sales, meetings out of it. So again, my name is Kurt. I'm the Director of Business Development here on BigLinker. I hope you learned a thing or two here. And if you like our videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like our videos. So see you on the next video. Bye bye.